Today I'll show you how to change lock screen on iPhone. So guys, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and go to your settings. Now, once you are here on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here wallpaper. So go ahead and select that. And pretty much over here, guys, you will have an option customize. So go ahead and select customize. And from here, you should be able to change your lock screen setup, including the date over here. As you can see, we could select a specific widget and we could change the time, the font, and the color. And we could also add another widget. We could go ahead and provide an effects, and we could change the logo at the bottom as well. And pretty much you could select multiple colors over here. And of course, guys, if you want to change the wallpaper, you just simply swipe to the left over here and you will have an option plus icon. And pretty much over here, you should be able to scroll and see different categories that you might want to consider and make it as your wallpaper or lock screen. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.